Front bumper lights. Remote winch. Side view. Rear with spare tire. Roof rack included. Metal frame tie rods. Metal drive shaft portal axle. Remote with screen. Steerable. Drive shaft acts like real cars. Stepless speed. Hydraulic front rear shocks. Remote winch. Unspool. Stop. Retract. Used for rescue. Looks better. Scale tow hook. Front diff locked. Front and rear locked. Unlocked normally. Steering. Turn signals light up. Side mirror lights work too. Roof light. A 1,000 yuan Bronco crawler like this. Do you like it?